The future isn't about flying cars, it's about the AI revolution happening right now. AI is no longer just evolving, it's transforming how we work, create, and connect faster than we ever imagined. Imagine your device not just recognizing your face but understanding your emotions in real time. Today, we'll break down 5 shocking ways AI is already reshaping our world, from reading your mind to creating virtual celebrities. These aren't predictions for the distant future. They're happening as we speak. The more you learn, the wilder it gets. Let's dive in. First up, emotional AI. Our devices are learning to read us, literally. AI models are trained on millions of faces, voices, and text to decode subtle emotional cues. On a customer service call, AI can sense your frustration and suggest real-time solutions. In hiring, AI analyzes video interviews, rating your confidence and enthusiasm, sometimes more critically than a human. This could reduce bias, but it might also penalize those who express emotions differently. Advertisers are already using this tech to target you based on your mood. Feeling down? Here's comfort food. Excited? Here's a concert ticket. Your phone, smart speaker, even your keyboard could soon track your emotional state. There's potential for good, like mental health apps that spot early signs of depression. But it's a thin line between helpful and invasive. Who owns your emotional data? Where is it stored? Is your mood for sale? The tech is moving faster than the ethics. Emotional AI is no longer science fiction, it's the new reality. Our devices are becoming emotionally aware, reacting and persuading us in ways we never imagined. We're all part of this real-time experiment. The question isn't if this will affect you, it's how soon. The rules aren't written yet. Are we ready for technology that knows us better than we know ourselves? That's the world we're entering. Next, let's talk about virtual humans. AI-powered digital personalities with millions of real fans. These aren't just CGI characters, they're influencers, musicians, and even brand ambassadors. They post, interact, and build communities, blurring the line between real and artificial. Teams use AI to generate their content, respond to fans, and keep them scandal-free and always on brand. Virtual humans are now news anchors, teachers, and digital companions. They're designed to make digital interactions feel more personal, even if there's no real person behind the screen. Fans form real emotional bonds, create fan art, and debate their favorite virtual star's life. This challenges our ideas of authenticity and connection. But there's a dark side. The same tech can be used for scams or propaganda, making it harder to tell what's real. As these AI personalities grow more lifelike, distinguishing between human and machine will become a critical skill. The creator economy now includes non-human stars. Virtual influencers are here to stay, changing what it means to be a celebrity. Next time you see a new influencer, ask yourself, are they real or just really convincing code, and does it even matter? The digital age is rewriting the rules of fame. Now, AI is transforming healthcare in ways that save lives. AI can analyze X-rays and MRIs with accuracy rivaling top doctors, spotting diseases like cancer earlier than ever. It's not just images. AI detects early signs of Alzheimer's or Parkinson's from brain scans and speech patterns. Hospitals use AI to monitor patients, predicting emergencies before they happen, and giving doctors a crucial head start. Drug discovery is being revolutionized. AI analyzes massive datasets to find new treatments faster and cheaper. This could mean breakthroughs for diseases once thought untreatable. But the stakes are high. A mistaken diagnosis can be deadly. Data privacy and algorithmic bias are major concerns. Will AI work equally well for everyone? Regulatory approval is still catching up. Still, AI is already augmenting doctors' skills, making care more proactive and personalized. The integration of AI in medicine is deepening fast. Early detection, tailored treatments, and predictive care are becoming the norm. The future of healthcare is here, and it's powered by AI. The question is, can we keep up with the pace of change? Our lives may depend on it. What about creativity? AI is now an artist, not just a tool. AI image generators like DALL-E create stunning art from simple prompts. AI writes movie scripts, composes music, and even produces viral hits engineered for maximum catchiness. It can blend styles and influences in ways no human could. Imagine music that fuses genres from across the world. Fashion designers use AI to generate thousands of new looks and predict trends. The creative process is accelerating and changing. But who owns AI-generated art? The coder, the user, or the AI itself? copyright law is scrambling to keep up. For human artists, AI is both a collaborator and a competitor. Some embrace it as a tool to boost creativity, others fear being replaced. The definition of creativity is expanding. In 2025, the ghost in the machine is part of the art world. The only limit is our imagination and the code behind it. The creative frontier is wide open. Now, let's go full sci-fi. AI is learning to read your mind. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are decoding brain signals using AI. Researchers can reconstruct images you're looking at, straight from your thoughts. AI can turn imagined speech into text, giving a voice to those who can't speak. It's digital telepathy and it's real. Some studies show AI predicting your decisions seconds before you're aware of them. This raises deep questions about free will and privacy. The ultimate goal: two-way brain-AI communication, controlling machines with thought or even downloading knowledge. It could revolutionize therapy, restoring function for people with neurological conditions. But the ethical risks are huge. Who controls this tech? What happens to mental privacy? The gap between those with and without access could widen. This isn't just a new interface, it's a new frontier for humanity. As we enter 2025, mind-reading AI is no longer fantasy. The implications are staggering. The future of thought itself is up for grabs. So there you have it. 5 world-changing AI shifts happening right now. AI is already transforming our feelings, our celebrities, our health, our art, and even our thoughts. The future isn't coming, it's here, and it's moving fast. AI is now a partner, not just a tool. The conversations about ethics and privacy can't wait. We're all part of this revolution, so stay informed, stay curious, and help shape what comes next. Thanks for watching. See you in the future.